Welcome! If you're looking for a simple way to automatically delete your Telegram account after just 1 month of inactivity, you're in the right place. Whether you want to boost your privacy or just take a break from messaging, Telegram makes it easy to set your account to self-destruct. Here's how you can do it in just a few quick steps. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button. This will open up a side menu with several options. Next, find and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security, and tap on it. This section is where Telegram stores all of its privacy-related features, including the option to delete your account automatically. Now scroll down until you find the Delete My Account section. Here, you'll see an option labeled If Away For, or something similar. Tap on this option, and you'll be presented with several timeframes for account self-destruction. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. Select 1 month for the fastest automatic deletion. Once you've chosen the 1 month option, your Telegram account will be set to delete itself if you don't log in or use the app for a full month. That means, as long as you stay completely inactive, no logging in, no messages, no activity, your account, along with all your messages, contacts, and data, will be permanently erased after the 1 month period. It's important to remember, if you log back in before the month is up, the timer resets and your account won't be deleted. So, if you're sure you want your account gone, make sure you don't use Telegram at all during that month. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can schedule your Telegram account for automatic deletion and enjoy greater control over your privacy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for managing your digital life.